Hi, everyone. My name is Marlon Cruz. I am the Graduate Assistant for the Office of Graduate Diversity and Inclusion here at University of Maryland College Park. And today we have another edition of OGDI Answers Your Questions. Today's question is on application fee waivers. The question that comes up time and time again is, do I, the applicant, have to upload all of my application materials before requesting an application fee waiver? The short answer is no, you do not need to upload all your materials before requesting an application fee waiver. However, make sure you complete your basic applicant profile. This would include your name, home address, and phone number. Once you start and save your application early, you can then request your application fee waiver if you're eligible. We will link the application fee waiver eligibility list in the description box below. Please keep in mind to start early. Do not wait until your program's deadline to submit an application fee waiver request. To learn more about application fee waivers and how they're determined and processed, watch our application fee waiver tutorial here on our YouTube channel, which will also be linked in the description box below. This concludes today's episode of OGDI Answers Your Questions. Subscribe to the OGDI YouTube channel for more updates and to learn more about graduate programs here at University of Maryland College Park. If you have any more questions about your application fee waiver, please email the graduate school at gradschool@umd.edu. Thank you, take care, and stay safe.